Daddy Waffle Joe wants to meet me for lunch. Well, tomorrow is Saturday, and I'm not doing much tomorrow. Sunday, I'm going to Planet Fatness and getting some exercise on. Tomorrow, I'm not doing shit. So, Daddy Waffle John, Matt, name a place and a time tomorrow, and I will meet you for lunch. If the fans want to see Raging Rob meet up with Daddy Waffle Drone, I know they do. I know they do. And being I'm in Michigan for about a week till my truck in Phoenix gets fixed, let's do it. Let's give the fans what they want. I've already did a Black Bigot montage. I've already did a El Pressador montage. I did a Mad Mike montage. Let's do a Daddy Waffle Drone montage. And when I drive back from Michigan to Arizona, I'll stop and do an Electric Messiah montage in Chicago. So what do you say, Daddy Waffle Drone? Name a time and a place in the comment section below. And I promise, no politics, and no guns, okay? Just two gentlemen, just two gentlemen having lunch. Cooking gum.